Hey you guys, so I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how to do these passion twists. I might insert a clip now or at the end or in the beginning of what materials you need. And I'll also link it down below. So you want to keep your hair moisturized because this, your hair will be locked up and stuff. So, okay, let's get started. So I'm just going to put some more moisturizer. I already moisturized my hair with with unrefined coconut oil from Joy for Your Jewel. And so right now I'm going to put some of the lotion this is just for me lotion to keep everything moisturized. I double moisturize. And so now I'm going to use this some jam. This is a British dream. Jam is the shiznai. Okay. Right, let me get this clip because my hair is in my way. Okay. So then I'm going to put this. So this is the coconut oil I put on my hair before I start anything, and then I start putting the rest of the product on. So I think this is a little bit too much. So I'm gonna put about that much just in the beginning, like up right here on my edges. Okay. Where? Okay. Toothbrush. So I'm just going to brush, kind of basically style it the way you want, so that you could just put it into there. We want our edges nice and slick. Okay. So now we're gonna take 3 strands of the water wave. 1, 2, 3, and it can be an even like this, and we're gonna pull it, so it could be fuzzy like this. So we're gonna do that to each strand on both sides. Now this particular style would be about, well, it took me 5 hours on myself, but if I was doing it on one of my clients, it probably take me under 5 hours, maybe, depending on if they want to take a break doing their hair. Okay, so now I'm going to, what I do is, I know a lot of people two-strand twist it, but I'm gonna braid it first. I gotta look back. I gotta lean back, so sorry you guys. Make sure it's, see, because sometimes it's not, it's a little too far back. I want it a little bit up. Okay. Now I'm just gonna braid it. Catch my hair and just make sure. Okay. So now I'm gonna braid it. And you guys can watch me how I braid it. Boom, boom, and then put my hair in the middle between these two. I'm going to separate it like so. And as I twist, right, I'm going to twist the hair when I twist. So you'll see some jam on both sides. So now I'm just going to put on here and I'm going to twist like that. So then I'm going to do jam on this side. And then I'm going to twist. So you keep twisting the hair inside with the hair so it won't poke out. Now, is that my hair? Okay. Now, when you're doing this, you want to make sure that you take your time, depending on how long your hair is, but you still want to take your time so that it can blend in. seamlessly. Now you take more, just so that we can just keep it blending. Remember, twist and twist. So we want to twist and twist and twist and twist. See, now my hair is acting real shady, but that's okay. We just unravel it, put a little more jam, and twist. Jam is your best friend. Okay? So now we're going to get there. Now we're still twisting as we twist, because that's like, you know, that's the method. So we still twisting as we twist. Now I do use some water, because water helps me, and I didn't see anybody else use it, but the water helps me just like smooth, just go down faster. So it is going to get uneven. Don't fret. Just separate it like this. So we want to separate the long side and just borrow it, and then we twist. If you didn't catch on, I got one more piece to do, and then y'all can see it again. So it does get fuzzy, and you want to put some more jam on here. So now we at the end, and all we gotta do is do like that, and it curls. Now, if it doesn't choose to curl the way you want to, you can put some more jam on it and then curl it like that. But I'm pretty happy with how it looks. And I don't know if you can see this, but it's like a long string. Just cut it off. Let it go, and boom. You have your passion choice. Now, you can see that at the bottom, it's like not uniform. That's fine, because I don't know, like people feel like the passion twist supposed to be like really neat and uniform, but it's basically like a boho look, like a, you know, like a free spirited look, you know, stuff like that. So it's supposed to be, as uniform. Like none of them, like it's supposed to be kind of messy, you know. All right, so now we got this last one. So if you didn't follow me with the first one, I'll show you with this one. So like I said, we already conditioned our hair. We're just going to do a little bit more. Make sure you get those ends. Don't mind how my hair looks, because I am transitioning, as you can see. This is texturized hair down here, but I'm not ready to cut that. You feel me? All right. Let me get a little bit more right here. All right. Now we have edge control. Boop, 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 boop. I don't put as much right now, because when I'm done, I want to like do the whole swoop method, and you know, freak my baby hairs out. And with this edge control, less is more, because then it'll start getting real. It gets flaky. I don't know if it get flaky with anybody else's hair, but with my hair, like buildup happens, like a lot of buildup. So okay, so now we're gonna take our 3 strands yet again. Okay. Now we want to make it. I make it uneven because I want it to be as long as this. You could do this and make it to the length that you want. It's all about preference. So I'm going to make it uneven on one side and then just pull the other side. And now uneven. So we want to open this up. Now, certain packs will come like this one. This one's like really, really silky, so it's kind of easy to open up. But some of them come dry, so you have to like be patient because opening it up will be a hassle. Just be patient. Some people brush it out with the paddle brush or the wig brush, whatever you call it. I was doing that, but this is easier for me. Okay, so now we got it out. Boom. Now, let's do this right here. Okay, let's get this going. The reason why I'm braiding because I want it to last long. I don't feel like doing it over in the next like a week or so because I'm kind of crazy like that. If I see it looking kind of old to me, I mean want to do it over. Okay, so now we're braiding it. Okay, now I think this braid right here is pretty comfortable because like if you braid it too short up, then the hair will start to slip. So I think like about this much braiding space is good. So now we have the hair in the middle. We're going to separate that like so. Boom. Okay, so we're going to get some jam. Put it on this side. Twist and twist. Jam. Put it right here. And then we're going to just twist like that and twist. So twist the hair and twist. And twist the hair and twist. So we want to intertwine this hair with this hair. So we're going to twist the hair and twist. 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 Okay? And then when we get down to the bottom, you want to take your time so that everything can be in sync inside. So your hair won't be sticking out. So I just got some more jam. Twist, twist, twist. Twist, twist. Twist the hair, twist. Twist the hair, twist. Twist the hair, twist. You just keep saying that and you'll remember. So you want to twist the hair and twist. And twist the hair and twist. Okay? I think that is where my hair stops. I'm going to spray. Boom, boom, boom. Now, if you know you get lazy, because I got some of them that I'm a little lazy in. Let me find it for you guys. So you know that no one's perfect. Okay, so like, it's like, see my hair right here? It's a little out. I am not doing that over. I'm going to put a hair jewelry on there. So if you don't want to do it over, just put a hair jewelry on there. Okay. So now you see it's uneven. Eventually I'm going to borrow from that side and mix it. Okay. So right now I'm going to put some jam on my hands because it's getting fuzzy, and I'm going to put a little bit more water. Don't mind that. That's all a part of the plan. Okay, so now we twist. Now you can see this little long piece. All you gotta do is cut that. And bam, we have a passion twist. So it'll fold up like that. Just let it relax itself. And boom, we have passion twist. So when I got my makeup and everything done, I'll show you how the finishing touches. But thank you for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.